for you.
Okay, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 Diecast model of Ford Mustang 1x18, and this is the model itself, and I bought this model from scaleartsin.com. If you want to buy that, put the link in the description. It will cost you around $70, and follow me on Instagram for daily updates at miniature_automobiles, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.